We're excited to be here and celebrating this milestone. We're glad that we have mobilized the first batch of 17 trucks to our client Earadat, and we have demonstrated our capabilities with our partner Al Jazeera Ford in mobilizing the second batch of 34 trucks. These trucks are manufactured in line with customer specification and SASO regulations. It's a huge milestone for us, and we're very excited to celebrate and put more efforts in making sure that these trucks remain on the road. We are putting together training programs for drivers and mechanics, and hopefully this is just the start of a new beginning.
Training of drivers or operators and technicians is very important for the sake of the vehicle lifetime also, and just to last longer. For type of operations different from project to project. Maybe if you go for rough road, sometimes you go for highway, it's different, and sometimes for minor breakdown, maybe you are not need to go send it to that agency or to the workshop. So we can do it here if we train our technicians to save time.
We have started in Saudi Arabia market recently, and our first biggest corporation currently is with SIXT, and we are very proud of it. The reason is because SIXT is a very well-known brand. SIXT is a global brand, very strong brand, and we hope that this is just a start. Our trucks are built and manufactured in line with the Saudi Arabia conditions.